What's the name of the state?
Armel province.
Armel province. Okay, so this is how you it's ready. Back to London today. This is Amsterdam Central, and you can see these trams coming in. It's really easy to travel from one place to another. Within Amsterdam, it is actually not very expensive. You can see water there. There's a canal where you can do a 1 hour ride for 14 euros. Reached Amsterdam Central. So look at this tram. It comes every 5 to 10 minutes, and you can actually get down anywhere you want to. And now I'm crossing the tram station. See, it's so easy to walk. Cycle is obviously, this place is known for cycle. Everyone loves cycle, but it also gets stolen. So, I've been to this one. This is really nice. They also give their own liqueur, mainly wine, and it's a good experience for 1 hour. This place can be very crowded and a little bit overwhelming. So if you're coming with kids, they can see a lot of people around. See how easy it is to cross. Keep checking. Don't stop in the middle if people are moving. And this is the center, so I'm going back to London. And bye. Take daily pass or 5-day pass, and bus, tram, ferry. It can be used anywhere. It can be expensive, so think before you buy if you're really traveling so much. So here I